As many of you might know, Gary Vee is a social media marketing guru. He's a best-selling author. And all around, he's a really smart entrepreneur who talks a lot about building a business around your passion. So his first book on this topic was Crush It, in which he talks about how anyone can build a business around their passion using the power of social media today. And the key ideas, some of the key ideas in the book that he talks about are that passion is a really important key in building your business. And what you need to do is create relentless content, create a lot of content on the topic, something that establishes your spot in the marketplace, something that will educate your customers and potential buyers about your products and services. And the key is to choose a medium that fits you best. Choose a medium, maybe, whether it's podcasting, whether it's video, whether it's blogging, whatever it is. Choose what you would enjoy the most and go create content on that medium. I did a full summary of this book, and you can find the link in this mind map as well, and I'll put the link in the description below. The next book he wrote on the same topic, it was Crushing It, which is the sequel to Crush It. And in that, he shows stories of how a lot of different lifestyle entrepreneurs who followed his advice from Crush It are now crushing it. A lot of great stories of different bloggers, podcasters, YouTubers, and such. And he talks about quite a few business/marketing strategies in the book as well. One of my favorites is he says the best marketing strategy in the world is caring for your customers. The more you care, the more they're likely to buy. It's really as simple as that. And another thing he says, which I really love, he says, in your business, you want to be 51% altruistic and 49% selfish in order to grow your business. This is a consistently common advice. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, he says, in business, you can either be a missionary or a mercenary. And if you are a missionary, in the long term, you will end up making a whole lot more than someone who is a mercenary, who's just in it for the selfish reasons. And you might be wondering, what is Amazon's mission? Amazon's mission is customer service. It's deep customer service, intense customer focus, and they're true to that mission. So 51% altruistic and 49% selfish. You want to be in that sweet spot in order to grow your business. You see, when you consistently give more than you receive, you will actually grow your business. You will make it in your business. So always think about what you can do for them rather than what you will get out of it. That's the key.